Good morning, student. 11 Science, chapter number 2, Biological Classification. Today topic discuss what is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria, these bacteria are special since then they lie in some the most harsh habits such as extreme salty areas. Means Archaebacteria most probably found in salty areas. For example, halophiles. Salty areas bacteria is a halophiles. Hot spring bacteria is a thermoacidophiles. And Marseria is a methanogens. Means this type of bacteria found salty areas, halophiles bacteria, hot spring bacteria, thermoacidophiles, and Marseria means methanogens bacteria. Archaebacteria are different from other bacteria in having a different cell wall. Means this bacteria is a different types of cell wall structure, and this feature is responsible for survival in extreme condition. Clear? Methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals. Gut means one type of cow in this area for ruminant animals, and second example is a buffaloes, and they are responsible for production of methane. Most probably cow and buffalo, they are responsible for production of biogas. It is a one type of gas produced methane from during of these animals. Clear? Second theory, eubacteria. First, draw a structure of a filamentous blue-green algae is a non-stop. This site is a heterocyte. This outer layer is a mucilaginous cell. Eubacteria. There are thousands of different eubacteria. This is one type of true bacteria. Clear? They are characterized by the presence of a rigid cell wall. Means strong. And this bacteria is a motile. Motile means this type of movement. Flagellum, this is a flagellum. And the cyanobacteria are also referred to as blue-green algae. Main example for cyanobacteria is a blue-green algae. Have chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A similar to green plants. Most probably chlorophyll presents only for green plants and are photosynthetic autotrophs. Autotrophs means made by food cell. The cyanobacteria are unicellular. Uni means only for one cells. Columnar filamentous. It is a conical shape filamentous. Freshwater, marine or terrestrial algae. The colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous cell. This is a gelatinous cell, and they often form blooms in polluted water bodies. Means this is a polluted blooms of the water bodies. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cell called heterocyte. Means this is a heterocyte cell, most probably nitrogen fixing bacteria. Another example for heterocyte for nostoc or Anabaena. Chemosynthetic autotrophic means chemically synthesized bacteria. Oxidosavirus inorganics of nitrates inorganic compound to convert it to organic compound such as nitrates, nitrites or ammonia. Means NO2 minus, NO3 minus or ammonia. Clear? This is nitrates, nitrites or ammonia, and use the released energy for their ATP production. What is ATP? ATP is a adenosine triphosphate. They play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and sulfur. Most of this question eubacteria, recycling nutrient like filling the blanks such as a nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and sulfur. Second is a heterotrophic bacteria. Hetero means different. Are the most evident in nature. Most of the heterotrophic bacteria found in nature. The majority are important decomposer. Decomposer means decaying materials of the any animals. For many of them have significant impact on human affairs. They are helpful making for curd from milk production of antibiotics and fixing nitrogen in leguminous plant means leguminous root etc. Some are pathogens causing damage human being, crop, farm animals and pets. Another example for bacteria in humans for cholera, cholera diphtheria, typhoid, Salmonella typhi, tetanus bacteria, citrus for canker and Crohn's disease for cause different types of bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly fission. This structure is a fission type means one cell is developed fuse to the another cells means parent cells to develop daughter cells. First is a outer cell membrane and cell wall. DNA full form is a deoxyribonucleic acid. This type of figure structure of bacterium. Clear? Next point. Under favorable condition produce spores. Spores means fungus spores is produced. They also reproduce by a short sexual reproduction by adopting primary type of DNA. Means sexual reproduction means one cells to divide two cells means cell division. It is a mitosis division. Means DNA is a transfer. This DNA is a transfer from one bacterium to another bacterium. Clear? And mycoplasma. The mycoplasma are organism are that completely lack cell wall. In 11 science, regular 1 marks MCQs, what is a completely lack cell wall? Filling the blanks, mycoplasma. They are the smallest living cells known and can survive without oxygen. Many mycoplasmas are pathogenic in animals or plants. Clear? Next topic discuss what is protozoans. All protozoans are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means different and live is a predator for parasites. Means parasites depend on the another animals for food. They are believed primitive relatives of animals. There are 4 major groups of protozoas. First is amoeboid protozoas. Amoeboid protozoas are these organisms found in freshwater, seawater or moist cell. They move and capture their prey putting for pseudopodia. False feet like example for amoeboid protozoas such as pseudopodia. As in amoeba, marine forms have silica cells and their surface. Most of the silica cells is present for the surface area. Some of them such example for amoeba, anti-amoeba are parasite. Second points, flagellate protozoans. Flagellate protozoans, the member of this group are either free living parasitic. They have a flagella. This is a flagella like structure. The parasitic forms cause disease such as a sleeping sickness means example of flagellated protozoans such as a trypanosoma. Third is a ciliated protozoas. These are found in aquatic, actively moving organism because the presence of thousands of cilia means one type of bacterial cell. This is a cilia and this is a flagellum. They have a cavity gullet that opens the outside. This is the outside area for the cell surface only used for water and food. Clear? the coordinated movement of the rows cilia cause water laden with the food. Most important function for this. B. Striate integument. Example for ciliated protozoas such as a paramecium. And last protozoans types for sporozoans. These include diverse organisms that have an infections. This is spore-like stage in their cycle. And the most notorious is Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a one type of malarial parasite which cause malaria. Most important example for malaria. Malaria is a one type of protozoans, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, etc. A disease which has a string effect on human population. Thank you, student.